How to boost immunity with natural ingredients. In today's fast-paced world, it's more important than ever to keep our immune system strong. A healthy immune system helps protect us from illness and disease. Please remember that like and subscribe may look simple for you, but for us, it's very valuable. So, thank you so much for your support. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. While there's no magic bullet for boosting immunity, there are many natural ways to support your body's defenses. In this video, we'll explore some of the most effective home remedies for boosting immunity. Garlic. Garlic is a common kitchen ingredient with powerful antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. It contains compounds that help boost immune cell activity and fight off infections. To get the most immunity-boosting benefits from garlic, eat it raw or lightly cooked. You can also add garlic to your soups, stews, and stir-fries. Ginger. Ginger is another versatile spice with potent immune-boosting properties. It contains gingerol, a compound that has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. These properties help reduce inflammation and protect against cell damage. Ginger can be consumed in many forms, including ginger tea, ginger ale, and ginger candies. You can also add ginger to your smoothies, juices, and baked goods. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is a vital nutrient that plays a crucial role in immune function. It helps protect cells from damage and enhances the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting infections. Citrus fruits, such as oranges, lemons, and grapefruits, are excellent sources of vitamin C. Other good sources include bell peppers, broccoli, kiwi, and strawberries. In addition to garlic, ginger, and vitamin C-rich foods, there are many other natural remedies that can help boost immunity. These include probiotics. Probiotics are live bacteria that are beneficial for gut health. They help support the immune system by strengthening the gut barrier and reducing inflammation. Zinc. Zinc is a mineral that plays a vital role in immune function. It helps regulate immune cell activity and fight off infections. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is essential for maintaining a strong immune system. It helps regulate immune cell activity and reduce inflammation. Lifestyle factors. While natural remedies can help boost immunity, it's important to also maintain healthy lifestyle habits. These include getting enough sleep. Sleep is essential for immune function. When you don't get enough sleep, your immune system weakens. Managing stress. Stress can suppress the immune system. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature. Exercising regularly. Exercise helps boost the immune system by increasing blood flow and circulation. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. By following these tips, you can support your immune system and help stay healthy and well. Remember, consistency is key. Make these healthy habits a part of your daily routine and reap the benefits of a strong immune system.